Arya, first please introduce your puppet's name.
Okay.
Tell me the names of your puppets.
Its name is Peppa Pig.
Show via finger. Put finger.
Peppa, George, Mommy, Daddy, and Susie Sheep.
Susie Sheep. Now start your puppet game.
Okay.
Okay. Come on.
Hello, I'm Peppa Pig. And this is my little brother George.
Wow. Little brother George.
And now I will call Susie Sheep to bring.
Okay.
Hello, Peppa. Hello, Peppa. Hello, Susie. Let's play. Okay, Peppa.
Wow, very nice. Wow, Arya, you play such a nice puppet game. Thank you for showing me this game.
But more.
Yes, more. I want to see more. Wow.
Peppa, it's time to go home. But I want to play Susie. But it's time to go home and eat food, Peppa. Okay, Mommy Pig. I will say bye to Susie.
Bye. Oh, so sad.
Goodbye, Susie. Goodbye, Peppa.
Now what next?
Daddy Pig.
Wow. Wow.
Daddy Pig says, Peppa, Peppa, Pep, ho, ho, ho. Peppa, what happened? I cannot play Susie anymore because I'm sad. Oh, Peppa, don't be sad. We will play Susie after all. First eat your food, Peppa. Oh, okay, Daddy. Okay, Daddy Pig. I will eat food.
Oh, very nice. Eating food is a good habit.
Yes.
It keeps you healthy.
Yes.
But always eat healthy food, okay?
Okay.
No chips, no ice creams. Try to eat more veggies, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now anything else?
Yes.
Show me.
Now I cannot play Susie. Now I can play Susie. Bye, Mommy Pig. Goodbye, Peppa. I will come back soon. Play Susie Sheep.
Very nice.
I'm happy after all. Now I can play Susie Sheep. Let's play. Hooray! I can be happy after all. Me too. Me too. Let's Give me my hug.
Do you want me upload this video on YouTube?
Yes.
Will you be happy?
Yes.
Okay. And do you want more subscriber and more likes on this video?
Yes.
So can you say, hey guys, please subscribe and like my channel?
Everyone loves play Susie, and Peppa Pig loves play Susie, and everyone loves play Susie.
And everyone loves
The
play with...
end.
The end. Clap for Arya. Thank you so much for showing this beautiful puppet game, Arya. Thank you so much.
But
Okay,
let's do it again.
I will do it again. First say, thank you so much, subscribers.
Thank you so much, subscribers.
Please subscribe and like my channel.
But let's do it again.
Okay, bye-bye.
But don't you play some more?
More. Okay, bye.
But don't you play some more? Let's play. Let's do
listen.
it again.
Listen, I will play again. I'm just saying bye to my subscriber. Okay?
But play with my puppet. But play with my puppet shows.
Okay, my chick. I will play with your puppet shells.